Thank you everybody for being here. I hope that you've been enjoying the other exhibits, also the other panels. I am Diana and I'm an engineer by profession. I've been working in this space for a couple of years, mixing also stuff from engineering. The metaverse. What is the metaverse?
It's a collection rather, of many different environments, all 3D rendered. They are persistent.
It's a little bit of like the media, how we can access, one of the media that we can access, and it's one of the ones that lastly have been like the pretty cool thing with virtual reality, augmented reality. And as the technology moves and gets better and better, of course, we probably are going to be using these devices more and more, as it happened with the cell phone. I don't know how many hours, if you have checking your phones, how many hours you spend in your phone. With XR, with the devices, it might tend to be a little bit like that in the future. I think that there is a lot of potential for this to use it in very, very practical cases. I really love the application of these technologies and these for very, utility-driven experiences. This is gonna come to the schools because right now we can see a lot of projects, studios working on experience of understanding the universe, of biology, sciences, etc., and using the headsets for that purpose. I believe that companies are gonna be also building more and more customized products. This is a topic that I believe everyone should know about right now. There are impacts that maybe not all of us are aware of, so it's very, very nice to be educated. I believe that there is an important role from us to have these conversations.